Hi, this is Mr. Libby. I'm going to just do a quick run through of your Unit 1 measurement, lab safety and units for ICP. This is to help you get your ICP credit for the fall semester. When I'm done with this, I'll post the video here. This is your packet. Do as much of this as you need to pass the Unit 1 test. It's in its learning. You need to pass with at least a 70%. You may take it at least twice. So these materials right here aren't going to be graded by the teacher. You can ask us about them. That'd be great. But a lot of it is self-graded, or we give you answer keys so you can grade yourself. When you're ready to take the test, please tell your teacher, your study hall teacher, that you are ready to take the test. Your packet has all these things in them to help you get ready to pass the test. These are all links to different places in the slides. So measurement, these are notes that you need. You need to know that there are 5 things that we can measure in lab, and this is what they're called, and this is what the units that they're measured in. You just need to know those. Write them down, have access to them. Science is a little bit different than math in that the numbers are dependent on the equipment we use to measure them. So usually the more decimal places we have, the more accurate we are, but it costs more money to measure those. So in short, science numbers matter. The number of numbers matter. So 1.5 is not the same as 1.5 with 4 zeros after it. This costs a whole lot more money to get than that does. Lab safety, here's some basic rules. Please wear goggles over your eyes when you're working with chemicals in lab. Don't eat or drink ever in lab. These are rules that are just, some of them are common sense, and some of them are actually dictated by OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. So 7 rules right there. We'll go over all these rules in a minute. Some useful things online. This will help you when you open this up. It'll help you. Has a lot of information here for you. This view practice button is a big one. This highlighter button is a big one. So if you want to highlight something in your notebook, in your book, you can highlight it, and every time you come back using your student email account, that will stay highlighted and stay there for you. View practice, this is called the adaptive practice. You're going to preview it, and you just go until you get 10 right. So use the enlarged metric ruler segment below. What's the length of the red line? So it's more than 1, it's more than 2, it's more than 3. So it's going to be one of these 2. It's not close to, it looks like it's between 3.2 and 3.3, maybe that one. So check. Yeah, we got it right. But you just go through everything you know, and then you choose the best answer. And you're going to go until you get 10 right. When that says 10, you're good. This will tell you how you're doing. If it's green, that means you're doing well. If it's red, that means you may need to go back and look at the page somewhere. All right. So that's the CK12 books. We'll leave those. There's some drag and drops here, pieces of cake. Like this is a ruler. You just drag this down here. When you're done, there are answer keys at the bottom. So there's answer keys to the drag and drops. If you just go there, they're the last slides. Undo that. There we go. There's another one. So what are these measuring? So what does this measure in? This measures volume and milliliters and liters. You just drag and drop them. Again, the answer keys are on the back. There are self-grading worksheets. What do I mean? You click on them, you open them up. It says, do you want to make a copy? Say yes. And then it says, this is an understanding check. Use it to show your knowledge. So what is this right here? You have a choice of a drop-down menu. This is an electronic balance. And when you get it right, it'll turn green. What does it measure? It measures grams. When you get it right, it turns green. So as you get these right, they will turn green. It is a self-grading worksheet. More drag and drop. She's doing good things here wearing goggles. And there's more here. So all the self-grading worksheets are self-grading. They'll turn colors. The drag and drops, all the answers are down on the bottom. That's what we got for you. If you have questions, please ask your teacher. And good luck. And welcome to Unit 1.